Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see some Ipsy Glam Bag Plus spoilers for November 2020. Can you believe it that I'm sitting here filming November spoilers? It's insane. Like, I said this last month when I was like, oh my god, can you believe I'm filming October spoilers? It doesn't feel like it. But now it doesn't feel like I'm filming November spoilers, because like, to me, I feel like it's like July still. Other than the fact that now it's freaking cold as balls outside and I'm actually comfortable in a sweater, that's a plus. But like, also, November who? I haven't heard of you in a very long time. So welcome to the party. Does that make sense? No. But anyways, I'm actually really excited about these spoilers. I did just film my regular glam bag spoilers. Go check that out. Some serious good brands, okay? You guys need to go check that out. After this video comes out, I'll have my ultimate. So just look down below and you will see links if you haven't seen them already on the side, or you can just go to my page and search. I do spoilers all the time. If you're new here, hello, hi, how are ya? My name is CONNORKRYSTYN and I do spoilers because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. If you are into these sorts of videos, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because it would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So guys, I'm excited about these Ipsy Plus spoilers, okay? At least I think I am. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I lied. These aren't that good. There's like 3 products I'm into, but they're good. I would rather see more spoilers so I can be a little more happy, but I'm not like feeling it completely yet. So I can't wait till more spoilers come out because right now I'm just kind of like meh. But the spoilers that we do have are pretty good. Well, some of them. But let's get into it. You guys are like, shut up. But I'm just like, I hear you. I know I should shut up. But anyways. Spoiler number 1. We have the TULA Face Filter Blurring and Moisturizing Primer. Now, this is in the same realm as this little guy. And I am in love. Let me tell you, I am in love. This guy right here, this is the Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I use this all the time. Like, I've used so much of this product. This was actually sticking up. It doesn't look like it, I know, but it was actually like sticking up and now it's like not sticking up. Like, do you see what I'm saying? Like, clearly you can tell I've used a good bit of this product. I just really like it. And so I'm excited. If we get this, I want to try it. Like, as soon as I get it, I just want to throw it on my face and be like, I'm wearing TULA. Anyways, it says this primer instantly smooths the look of uneven skin tone and redness for a filter-like finish. Probiotics and superfoods like licorice and chia seeds help balance and nourish skin. As you blend this buildable formula, it releases its special skin blurring properties or glow particles that create the look of sun-kissed radiant skin. Now, doesn't that sound delicious to put on your face? Like, I want that, okay? Now, does it actually work? I don't know, but fingers crossed we can get it next month so I can do like a try-on. I want to start doing try-ons. I feel like that would make the video a whole lot better. Or maybe like a box and then do a try-on in a separate video so it's not that long because I don't like long videos. Let me know your thoughts down below. If I should do it like in one video and they'd be long or do it separate so they're not so long, let me know. Next up, we have something from Sugar Rush, which is Tarte's sister brand. We've gotten something from them before, and I love that little lippy that we got. It's so velvety and smooth. It's so good. So this is the Lip Sip Vegan Oil in Dragon Fruit. Now, I'm not one to really care about a lip oil, but I'm intrigued to try this. You want to know why? Because we got this Tarte Sugar Rush product in Boxycharm, and I'm in love with it. It's their little Best Bud Lip Butter Balm, and I've used a good chunk of it. So, therefore, I've tried a lipstick, I've tried the lip butter, and I'm in love. It makes my lips feel amazing, okay? So I want to try this oil, okay? Apparently, their lip products are better than regular Tarte lip products because I don't like regular Tarte lip products. They're just not that good to me. So I'm excited to try this, if I get it, you know, whatever. Next up, from Violet Voss, we have the Coral Pop palette. Now, when you hear Coral Pop, you think of summer, not necessarily fall, but we have neutrals here, we have oranges, and then the coral would be really cute for like a sunset vibe, you know, going to the pumpkin patch. It kind of can reflect like orange leaves and stuff. You could pop it in your lower lash line and have like the orange vibe going on. And then you have that one champagne shimmer color there that you can just apply to the lid. I think that this is actually a really, really cute 6-pan little palette. Now, I personally like the formula of Violet Voss. Is it the best? No, but it's very easy to work with that I have found from the palettes that I've tried. So this is one that I think that if you did get this, or if it's a choice item, I say go for it because it's beautiful. Unless you have better choices to choose from in your category, then definitely do that. But I think this one's probably going to be a good one, but that's just my opinion. I don't know everything. Yes, I do. Next up, the Murad Retinol Night Cream. This sounds exciting. Like, I'm not going to use it, but if I got that, my mother will be getting that. She would love it. I've given her something else from Murad. She loves it. And that stuff worked really good. The dark spot corrector or whatever. She first tried it out on her hand and she's like, oh my god, it works. So she's been using it. Beautiful. Anyways, it says refresh and renew your skin while you sleep. This cream improves the look of youthful contours and wrinkles while intensely hydrating. Preventative and corrective retinol strengthens your skin's protective barrier. Sounds phenomenal. Honestly though, I'm kind of over skincare. I've had so much and I'm just like, please stop. Please. But anyways, this is exciting. Would I try it? Maybe, if I do get it, but I also will gift it to my mom after I try it. We'll just see how it goes. But yeah, that's the spoiler there. Next up, we have something from Julep, which this is something that you see all the time, like for advertisements. I think they even had their own like subscription box for a while. I know they have like nail polishes. I don't know much about them other than I'm like always seeing them advertised everywhere. But this is the Eyeshadow 101 Cream to Powder Eyeshadow Stick and Champagne Shimmer. Now, I love me a good eyeshadow stick. I use them all the time. It's when I'm doing like I'm going out in public, but I don't want to like full on commit, kind of like today, except for I threw on the Ofra eyeshadow glitch palette and just put the gold color all over my lid today. But I usually go for a stick. I just haven't used that palette in a while. But cream to powder sounds so interesting that I just want to try it out and see like what the deal is. So I would love to just pick this just to see. It looks like it has a little nub butt for you to like smudge it around, but I don't know. The color is beautiful. I have like a million of these colors, but I'll take another one. Plus it's a cool formula. Give it to me. Last spoiler, this is the Tristique Good Vibes Mascara. Now, if you don't know, and I think it came in Ipsy or it came in Boxycharm, but I'm thinking it came in Boxycharm. I remember people were getting this mascara and like completely crapping on it because it was so bad. It comes with its own little like eyelash curler, but it's only like this big that you have to curl like it by sections, but then it messes up your eyelashes because when you're trying to curl them by sections, your eyelashes like where you're curling it in between are like so I don't know how well this would work. I think if you're gonna put an eyelash curler on the end, you should at least make it like big enough for like your full set of lashes to sit in there. I don't know, this one's funny. But anyways, let me know all of your thoughts and opinions as always down below in the comments. And right before we go, I just wanted to say I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys literally make my day every day. I, for the longest time this year, have been in a huge depression. And you know what? Just these past like 2 months, I've just been like really happy and in the mood, and it's because of you guys. And I'm just like, this is the time of year that people go into seasonal depression because it gets cold, it gets darker faster, but this is when I thrive, okay? This is my favorite time of year because I don't like the sun, but because like I love fall, I do love the colder weather, and Christmas. Now, January, after my birthday, I'm pretty much going to be done again until it's time, but I'm just pumping out videos like crazy. I apologize if it's annoying, but like, I'm just thriving right now, and I'm just having the time of my life. So if my like videoing constantly and uploading is annoying to you, pick and choose what you watch. I don't want you guys to get tired of seeing this face, because trust me, I get it. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy, give it a thumbs up. Let me know how you're feeling about Ipsy Plus choices right now. Not choices, spoilers. Anyways, that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.